Welcome to today's yoga session on snoring relief techniques. Does snoring keep you awake at night? Snoring is very common and is caused by a variety of factors. Occasional snoring is rarely serious, but if you are habitually snoring, you not only disrupt the sleep patterns of those close to you, but you might also impair your own sleep quality. Snoring is caused by a physical obstruction of airflow in the respiratory system. It leads to frequently waking up from sleep and interruptions in breathing, and in turn can lead to a strain on the heart. To alleviate these problems, let's explore 5 techniques to help reduce snoring and help yourself and others around you to get a good night's sleep. Relieving neck tension through these 3 neck exercises will help to open the airways for deep and balanced breathing. Sit comfortably, resting your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Starting with a straight neck, inhale while slowly dropping your head back. On the exhalation, bring your chin to the chest. Complete 3 rounds of this yes movement. Next, inhale deeply and rotate the head to the right side on the exhalation. Inhale as you bring your head back to center, and then rotate the head to the left side on the next exhalation. Complete 3 rounds of this no movement. Finally, inhale deeply, and during the exhalation, drop the right ear towards the right shoulder. Inhale as you bring your head back to center, and then drop the left ear towards the left shoulder on the exhalation. Complete 3 rounds of this maybe movement. Massaging the nostrils is very effective in healing congestion. Make a fist with your right hand and slightly protrude the middle knuckle. Place the middle knuckle on the lower part of your right nostril and begin to massage in a circular motion, clockwise and anti-clockwise, 21 times in both directions. Do the same on the left side, massaging the left nostril with the left middle knuckle, again 21 times in both directions. Ujjayi, commonly translated as victorious breath, has been used for thousands of years to enhance Hatha Yoga practice and clear the airway. For a few breaths, close your mouth and start gently breathing in and out through your nose. Once comfortable with this nasal breathing, take an inhalation that is slightly deeper than normal. Exhale slowly through your nose while constricting the muscles in the back of your throat. It should feel like you are making a long sound of ha through both your inhalation and exhalation. Repeat the above for 15 breaths. Anuloma Viloma Pranayama suggests the balancing of the inward and outward breaths. Make the Nasika Mudra with the right hand and close the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale slowly through the left nostril, deeply filling your lungs with air. Before you exhale, remove your thumb from your right nostril and close your left nostril with the tip of your left ring finger. Now exhale through the right nostril. Reverse the order of breathing, now inhaling through the right nostril with the left nostril closed, and exhaling with the left nostril with the right nostril closed. Repeat this process left to right and right to left for 15 rounds. Shavasana, corpse pose, helps the body to fully relax, allowing the airways to remain fully open, while Chin Mudra calms the mind, thus reducing any constriction in the respiratory system. Lie down in Shavasana with your hands in Chin Mudra. Let your mind and body cool, and allow yourself to drift off into a peaceful night's sleep. The key for success in this practice is consistency. So before lying down for sleep, make sure that you dedicate 7 to 10 minutes for these exercises and experience the benefits of these 5 snoring relief techniques. Namaste.